Hello everyone. In this video, we will be going over guidelines and how to apply for the City of Gardena Rental Assistance Program. The city will only accept completed applications in person beginning Monday, August 12th at 12 p.m. Applications will be accepted on a first-come, first-served basis. If you need assistance with your application before August 12th, you can call or email to make an appointment with the Human Services Division. To begin, go to our city website, www.cityofgardena.org/rental-assistance. Before you begin the application process, make sure you are eligible to apply by reading our rental assistance program materials. Once you've determined you are eligible, go to the application listed on the city website. You can fill out the application by either written or electronic form. The first page of the application will go over funding, how assistance will be distributed, and eligibility requirements. The second and third page will go over all the supporting documents you will need to submit along with the application. It's important to note that the applicant must be listed on the lease agreement. The fourth page will ask for the applicant information and everyone that resides in the household. On the fifth page, make sure to include the yearly household income and list all sources of income for everyone in the household. Supporting documentation will be required for all sources of income. Examples of income include employment, Social Security, county benefits, etc. On the sixth and last page, fill out the questions about current rent and landlord contact information. In order to finalize your application, the applicant must sign certifying that all the information provided is accurate. To submit, print out your application along with copies of all your supporting documents and bring in person to the Human Services Building beginning Monday, August 12th at 12 p.m. Make sure to review your application and supporting documents to ensure you've included everything required, as incomplete applications will not be accepted. If you have any questions, please contact the Human Services Division at 310-217-9574. Thank you.